This Xbox One X was shipped to me today because it has no power. I took it apart and I hope you hear the sound. No worries, I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. Keep watching. First thing you want to do, you want to flip your Xbox upside down just like this. Next, you want to remove those two screws to the back of the Xbox, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Now the two screws has been removed. Lay the Xbox down and push from the back to the front, just like this. Next, you have to remove every single silver screw except those black ones right here. And don't forget these two screws right here, they're very important. Make sure you run above the ribbon cable. Next, after we took the two screws, go ahead and disconnect the cable. And now you need to stand your Xbox to the other side and disconnect this cable right here. And now lay the Xbox down and lift up the back housing slowly, just like this. Remove that one screw right here. Now all you have to do is lift the plate up, just like this. Remove the CD player, just like that. And then disconnect your power supply by lifting it up. And here's the Xbox fan. We need to remove it to get the cable out. And remove the power supply connector cable. And here is a new power supply. We're going to hook it up and see if this will solve our issue. When you connect your new power supply, make sure you align these two plastic pins to these two holes on the frame of the Xbox. Put the power supply to the side, just like that, and align it, and then push down. Flip the Xbox a little bit, and you should be able to see these two black pins coming out of the Xbox. You can hold it by putting one screw, only for now, to test it out. Then lay down the Xbox, push the power supply to the back, and then put the Xbox fan on top of the heatsink first. I'm going to zoom in to show you how to feed the cable through the fan, just like that. And those two pins should go in these two slots. And push down. Push the CD around back and the power supply cable. Now press the power button. And the good thing is the Xbox did power up. And then let's see if we get a picture. And now the Xbox is powering up and we got a picture. If you need your Xbox fixed, check the link in the bio or the comment below. Leave any questions you have in the comment below. And if you want me to fix something else for you, let me know also. Peace. I'll see you on the next one.